Okay, so this is the guide about how to use Modloader in Rebirth of Souls and how to download any mods into that Modloader. So we will need Modloader. I will give those links in the description, GitHub link and Game Banana. Or if you want, you can use Nexus mode as well to find any mod. So in GitHub, you will download the Modloader, like here. Since I have it, I won't download it again. And then this Shunsi mode, this is the perfect example to benefit of Modloader, because this mode does not allow you to play story mode if you have downloaded it. So you will need the Modloader if you want to use both offline story mode or online without downloading Rebirth of Souls all over again. So after you download this here as well, you can download it here. You will have Modloader zip file and the mod itself zip file. First, you need WinRAR only, by the way. 7-zip does not work, or any other stuff will not work. Only WinRAR works for Modloader. Otherwise, you can use 7-zip or other programs to use mod files. So you use WinRAR. If you don't see WinRAR here, just open with WinRAR the Modloader, and then you want to do extract to, right, as you can see right here, and you will need ROS file directory. You can find it in here, ROS, and manage both local files. Then you will copy this and then you will paste it here. Since I have it, I'm not gonna do it again, but once you click OK, you should see ROS Modloader exe and mods file into your Rebirth of Souls file. And then you should do right click to ROS Modloader exe, properties, compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. Check this, apply OK, you should be good to go. And now, since you downloaded the Shunsi mod, all you have to do is you can just open it or extract here or whatever you want to do it as a file, not zip, as a file, and then you will see those files, high, middle, physics, script, or whatever the mod you download has. Once you open the file, not zip, I repeat, you need to have file. You copy those, you will copy those, or cut, doesn't matter. You just copy and you come back to ROS file and the mods file. We just transferred from Modloader, and then all you have to do is click on mods file and you will copy paste right here. You will paste it right here. Since I have it, I won't do it. And you actually, that's it. You should be good to go to Modloader. And the good part of Modloader is, since I have mod, I can actually show you as an example. I'll launch the ROS itself without any Modloader. I will launch the ROS itself, so we will see the raw files except the sound mode, because I also downloaded the sound mode on ROS file itself. So you will hear the sound mode or soundtrack mode, but other than that, the skins and everything else will be raw files, vanilla, and it it doesn't gonna it's not gonna make you banned or anything. Only you will see the mods. Let's wait. Remember, this is the raw ROS. We don't have any mods in here. It's the same account, same level, same progress. Okay, we can check right here. Since I told you I have soundtrack mode on my raw files itself. As you can see, no extra mods or anything, and we downloaded Shunsu as an example, and Shunsu is just same raw ROS skins. Now the good part of Modloader is you can use your Modloader with skins. Like, you can switch between modded ROS and not modded RAWs, raw RAWs. And to use Modloader, you have to launch RAWs from here, not Steam, not this or any exe or any shortcut. You need to launch RAWs Modloader exe. And if you always forget about launching this, oh, I need to go file and launch this exe, I'll give you some good tip to not forget the mods you have. You just come to Steam, add a game, add non-Steam game, and you will find RAWs Modloader exe in here. You just click on this, add selected programs, and since it's on uncategorized, you can add a favorites to find it easier. And since we changed the compatibility to always run as administrator, otherwise it's not gonna work. Um, Now I'll show you how it works. You just launch this instead of RAWs. You will launch this. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that tab, but it launches the RAWs, but with the mods on instead of RAWs files. And since we downloaded Shunsui mods, I will show you that everything is same, nothing changed. It's still RAWs, but now instead of RAW files, RAW skins, you have your mods depending on which mod you downloaded. Like you might downloaded Ichigo mod, which I have. See, now I have extra skins. Only I'm able to see those. It goes on and on. And since we downloaded Shunsui mod, um, it changes the second slot of mod. It changes from like mod to mod. It depends on the mod. But since we downloaded this, now I see this in Modloader, um, and it works in online. Also, the thing is, you might not be able to see your mod even though you've done everything perfectly. It depending on mod actually, but some mods can require higher graphic settings, higher texture settings. So you might want to change your graphic settings to from low to high if you don't see your skin. But other than that, we just have our mods. So that's it. I hope it helps to everyone that have issues with Modloader. If you want to play raw RAWs without re-downloading the RAWs itself or deleting your mods, you can launch the RAWs itself from Steam. If you want to play with mods, you have to launch RAWs Modloader exe, which we added shortcut in Steam itself to easier to find. So that's basically it.